Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know I get down and get straight to the point. Keep your diagnostics simple. If you can get a hold of a meter or one of these battery testers, which will be in the description, all you have to do is click on my new mechanic store and you will see this. You also see the multimeter. If you're using a multimeter, go to this symbol right here. This is DC current. That is AC current. Don't go there. Put it on 20 and you can actually see the same results as you will see with this if you have a multimeter. The customer is complaining that when she turns the key, this makes a clicking noise. The car has to have a 12.5 battery surface charge before it even will do anything. A lot of customers say, well, the inside works. Well, the inside only takes 5 volts. It takes a minimum of 9 volts to get this started to turn when you turn the key and you put the car under a load. So we're gonna, as you can see, the surface level charge is just too low. It's not gonna start. But I'm gonna let you hear the noise, what it sounds like when you need a new battery or a jump. And as you can hear, it'll make that clicking noise, or sometimes it does absolutely nothing. With that being said, she needs a jump, and then she needs to get herself a new battery. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. If you found any value in this video whatsoever, hit that Super Thanks button. We take the Super Thanks donations, and what we do is we put into an account, and then we will do repairs for customers who just cannot afford their repair. So thank you for those Super Thanks. Also, if you're a mechanic or you want to buy these tools, it is in our mechanic store. You just click that in the description and you actually will see the different stuff that we use, and you can choose what you want. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.